Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Drapsi Knowledge Tech. Again, I have come with a puzzle here. Puzzle you have to solve and comment me in box. Okay, so here let's try. So here I'm going to tell you a story of three friends here. There were three friends and they were so selfish that they couldn't spend any a pie on each other. Okay, they whatever they could expense the money they expense themselves. Now they plan to go for a picnic or something as party. Okay, they had 10 rupees each now, 10 rupees each, and they went to a cafe or a restaurant. And then what happened then they took some of the snacks or something else. They took something, and the bill came 25 rupees. Now what happened? They were totally upset. How to pay 25 rupees? How can we divide 25 rupees? It was a big task for them. So suddenly they decided to give 2 rupees to the waiter. If they give 2 rupees to waiter, they had 30 rupees first of all. When they paid the money, they got a return of 5 rupees. The waiter came with 5 rupees and gave them. But 5 rupees was very impossible for them to share equally. So only they decided to give 2 rupees to the waiter as a tips. Just like okay tip. When they decided to give 2 rupees to the waiter, so the remand is 3 rupees. They got a remainder as 3 rupees and they took one each. Now you just think they had 10 rupees each. After that, they got a bill of 25 and they gave 2 rupees there. So they got written back 1 rupee each. Now 1 rupee, if I had 10 rupee, I gave 10 rupees and then I got 1 rupee. Then how much I spent? 9 rupees. Okay. So it was 9 rupees. Everyone has spent 9 rupees. Then what happened? When they gave this 9 rupees, 9 rupees each means 9 threes are 27. 9 threes are 3 members together, all together. So it was 27 rupees. And when they gave 2 rupees to the waiter, what was the total now? Can you tell me? It was 27 plus 2, 29 rupees. Where is one more rupee? Can you find it? Please comment me down. Okay, thank you. Meet you in the next puzzle with something else extra or something funny. Okay, thank you. Bye.